Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable the marketing settings notifications in Veed.io. So let's go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to Veed.io. Now log in to your account. On the top right hand corner, you can see the profile. Click on it and go to account settings. You can see the marketing settings over here. Now what you need to do is click on this button and you can enable the marketing settings notifications. You will get exclusive Veed offers, updates and helpful tips by your email. So you will get some mail from Veed and then you will be updated from the marketing department of Veed and you will get notifications. So it's quite simple to enable the marketing settings, guys. All you need to do is go to Veed.io, go to your profile, go to account settings and enable the marketing settings, which is below your email address section. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.